Good morning, YouTube modeling community. This is Ron coming to you from Grandpa's Toy Room with an update on my small scale group build put on by Sean at the Model Car Guy channel and BG at BG's model. I should have looked it up again, Brian. I screwed up again. BG's Model Works, maybe? I don't know. I'm sorry, Brian. But anyway, just a small Saturday morning update. I have my chassis pretty much done for my little Corvette. It was all molded in one piece, of course. And so I just primered the bottom of it with red oxide primer. Not quite correct for the Corvettes because the bottom of the floor and stuff on the Corvettes was just raw fiberglass. But anyway, we red oxide primered it, and then we hand painted all the little details that are on it by hand with the old Testors model paint. Got the little tires and wheels all assembled and snapped on there, so those are all done. I'd like to have put some small white walls on it, but I don't think I can hand paint them to make them look good, and I don't have any decals that small, so we're just gonna be running this one with black wall tires instead of white walls. So that's the chassis. The body is all smooth now. It did have some pretty severe mold lines on top of the quarter panels and also on top of the fenders, which I had to sand out of there and then just cleaned up the openings on the windows and stuff real good. They had just a little bit on them, but not very much. And then the front end, I actually gotta quit using my big fat fingers. Sorry about that, guys. On the front end here, this piece that is right in here, and the upper part of the grill opening was made onto the front of the chassis. And I didn't like that because when you snap that up in there, you had a gap along here and gaps here that just didn't look good. So I cut that off the front end of the frame because it was made as, it was made as part of this front end. And the back end is, so that panel there, I will have to get the primer sanded off of it and then get it the same color as the body when I paint it. We'll just have to tape the whole chassis and everything off so that we can paint this part here separate. So that's just a very small, quick update this Saturday morning. I have been working on a couple of the other projects too, but mostly concentrating on this one. So anyway, folks, that's all I've got for you this Saturday morning. Thank you to all my subscribers. I'm actually over 900 now, which is quite amazing. I never expected to be anywhere near that. I hope I actually make 1,000, but if I don't, it's not a big deal. So anyway, everybody, have a great weekend. This is Ron saying so long for now.